Can I take my Tesla to an independent body shop? If you're a Tesla owner in Bergen County, New Jersey, you've probably wondered, do I have to bring my car to a Tesla service center, or can I use an independent body shop? The short answer is yes, you can, but there are important things to understand first. Tesla operates differently from traditional automakers. They maintain a network of Tesla service centers and Tesla-approved collision centers. These certified shops go through Tesla's training program and use official Tesla parts, specialized tools, and repair procedures. Certification ensures your repairs meet Tesla's safety and structural integrity standards. However, Tesla's certified network is limited, especially in busy areas like Bergen County. That often leads to long wait times for appointments and repairs. Independent versus certified body shops. Pros of certified shops. Tesla-trained technicians. Direct access to genuine Tesla parts. Maintains warranty and resale value. Cons of certified shops. Longer wait times. Often higher repair costs. Limited locations. Pros of independent shops. Faster turnaround times. Potentially lower costs. Personalized. Local service. Cons of independent shops. May not have Tesla-specific training or tools. Limited access to genuine Tesla parts. Repairs might not carry the same certification documentation. So, what's the bottom line? If you want absolute Tesla certification and resale documentation, a Tesla-approved shop is the safest choice. If you need faster repairs, especially for cosmetic or non-structural damage, an experienced independent body shop can be a smart option. Local Bergen County example. Here in Bergen County, one trusted option is RPM Precision Auto Body. They specialize in Tesla collision repair. They understand the unique aluminum and high-strength steel construction of Teslas. Most importantly, they offer much faster turnaround times compared to waiting months at a Tesla service center. So if you need your Tesla back on the road quickly, without the long delays, RPM Precision Auto Body in Westwood, NJ, is worth considering. Closing call to action. So yes, you can take your Tesla to an independent body shop, but make sure you choose one with Tesla expertise. If you're in Bergen County and want speed, precision, and quality, check out RPM Precision Auto Body.